Alright, right here I'm making this video on this 12 inch mainstay. It's a 12 inch mainstay, the little fan. The fan's pretty good, not like a real strong fan, throws like a lot of air, but it's good enough. Like if you got it on the end table and going to bed at night or something like that, you'll be alright with it, man. But I'm gonna show you how when you take it out of the box, how to put it back together and everything. Of course, it's already together. I've been using it for a couple months here. I'm gonna take it apart and put it in the box and show you how I took it out of the box, man. Alright. That's how easy it is to do that. You can just take it apart and show them how you did it. You got a little nut right here. That screws off. Got another nut right here. That screws off. This comes out. On the bottom of the fan, there's some tabs here if you want to pull that off. See this screw, it goes right here. I never did put it on. It holds on good. Never falls off or nothing. I never had no problem. It clicks on there pretty good. Okay. I know this is reverse what you normally see, but I'm just showing you how easy this is. It comes in here like this, but with plastic on it. Of course, this nut that holds this is right here, so if y'all looking for that, and you're gonna try to put it together, you know you gotta get it right there. It comes in there like that. Like that, and all the pieces come wrapped in plastic. There you go. That's how it comes wrapped up. And of course, there's gonna be tape right here. You cut the tape off. You pull this out. All of these will be wrapped in plastic. You pull them out. You just lay them down. What you're gonna use. Pull all the pieces out. You grab this out. Like I said, it'll be wrapped in plastic. The plastic you take off of it, throw it away. Come on. Okay, now it's so simple like that. You got this. Now what you're gonna do is put this. You see where the cord is? You're gonna see that little dip right there. Get up close so you can see. Right there. All you're gonna do is put it in there, snap it in there. See, right there. You put it in there. First it's got a lip here. See if you can see that. You got an extra little lip there. Gonna go in here. See where it looks like a hole? You're gonna put this in first like this. Let me show you down here if you can see. Come in like that. You get it in there. And it snaps that easy. Now, you got the pieces right here. They go right there together with it. Let the other little piece out. Now this is the back piece. You're gonna know it's the back piece because there's the grip where you pick up the fan, you pick it up. But the nut to hold this, some people say they look for it, they can't find it. And they try to put this on, you cannot put it there. The nut right here. You're gonna screw the nut. You get this, face it up. You see these holes right here? When you face this up, it's gonna line it up. There's some pegs there. 1, 2, 3. And then pegs there, and they'll line up with the holes. And you put it there, and you know you got it right on there like that after you do that. So you put that right there, line it up. It lines up pretty good. You get that nut that was right there that you have to unscrew off, and then you put it back on. So just tighten it up somewhat like that. Now get the fan, the bottom part. Really it's the same everywhere around. It's not, they don't got no symbol where they got a little arrow here, I guess point down, you can point down whatever. So anyway, just put this on, clip it on right there. There's a little clip right here, you just hang it on there. But when you're gonna put that on, first we're gonna get the blade put on. Put this blade on, there's a little notch here. And you're gonna put that, make sure you line it up with a notch, and you put this on. It's that simple, okay? So we got this on, like I told you. Now we're gonna get this put on, make sure the notch matches up with the little pins. Got it in there. Now you're gonna turn it this way. Most nuts you turn that way. counterclockwise. I mean clockwise. This you're gonna turn counterclockwise, coming backward. So the reason for that, because the way the fan spins, it won't, the nut won't come off. Now you get this, you put it, just drop it right in there like this. These little pegs up here are easy to put. You just push down. Show you up here, man. Little peg, you just push down and it goes over it. See? And that's how the fan's ready, put together right there. Now plug it in. And you're good to go right there. Turn the fan on. You got 1, 2, and 3. Like I said, that little screw, you can pull it off of here and just screw it in here. But I haven't, and I've had the fan for a few months already, and it's been running good. One thing I did, one day when I went to pull this, it popped off, the screw popped off, so whoever put this together in the factory didn't put the screw right. So, yeah, maybe your screw pop off, maybe it won't, I don't know. The fan's alright, but not the greatest for throwing air. But, put it like that, it stops. There you go. You got it spinning by itself. Ooh, get some air. Pull the back part up and it stops spinning. And it's actually a pretty good little fan. Like I said, it's not the greatest on air. I had another one that was about this, from the same company, but was actually threw a lot more air in it than that one. But there you go, guys and girls, whoever building it, there you go. Good to go. Anyway, thank you for watching my videos. Doesn't take that long to put it together. As you've seen, I took it apart to show you how to put it together. So it's that simple. Like I said, it's a Mainstays fan, 12-inch. Little black fan. They have different colors. I got the black one. If I was able to help you, please subscribe to my video, to my channel, and watch all my videos. I got all kinds of different videos on there. You should watch them. You'll kill time or something. You'll be alright. Like I said, it throws alright. Thank you for watching the videos. Give me a like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the videos. Help me out, man. I need some subscribers. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell, hey, this guy makes videos, subscribe. Help him out. Just help everybody help out, man. Pitch in. Give me some subscribers. I need them. All right. Thank you for watching my videos. And appreciate y'all watching them. Later.